Bond credit ratings are essential tools that help investors assess the safety and risk of fixed-income investments. These ratings range from AAA, which represents the highest quality bonds with minimal default risk, all the way down to junk status, where the risk of the issuer failing to repay becomes significantly higher. Understanding this rating system is crucial for making informed investment decisions and managing portfolio risk effectively. Credit ratings are professional assessments that evaluate the creditworthiness of bond issuers and their ability to repay debt obligations on time. These ratings are assigned by independent rating agencies that specialize in analyzing financial data and market conditions. The ratings measure default risk and financial stability, helping investors understand how likely an issuer is to meet their payment commitments. Importantly, credit ratings directly influence the interest rates that issuers must pay and play a major role in shaping investor decisions about which bonds to buy or avoid. 3 organizations dominate the credit rating industry and are collectively known as the Big Three credit rating agencies. Standard & Poor's, commonly abbreviated as S&P, is one of the most widely recognized agencies globally. Moody's Investor Service, usually referred to simply as Moody's, is another major player with its own unique rating methodology. Fitch Ratings rounds out the Big Three, providing independent credit assessments for issuers worldwide. While these agencies use slightly different rating scales and symbols, their assessments are highly influential in global financial markets. Investment-grade ratings represent bonds with low default risk and high credit quality. At the top, AAA ratings from S&P and Fitch, or AAA from Moody's, indicate the highest quality with minimal risk. AA ratings signify very high quality with very low risk. Single A ratings represent high quality with low risk, and BBB from S&P and Fitch, or Baa from Moody's, indicates good quality with moderate risk. These investment-grade bonds are considered safe investments and are typically held by conservative investors, pension funds, and institutions that prioritize capital preservation. Speculative grade ratings, also known as high-yield or junk bonds, carry elevated default risk but offer higher interest rates to compensate investors for taking on more risk. BB ratings indicate speculative investments with significant risk. Single B ratings represent highly speculative bonds with high risk. CCC ratings show substantial risk where the issuer is vulnerable to adverse conditions. CC and single C ratings are extremely speculative with very high default probability. Finally, D ratings mean the issuer is currently in default and has failed to meet payment obligations. While these bonds are riskier, some investors seek them out for their potentially higher returns. Rating agencies use modifiers to provide finer distinctions within each rating category. S&P and Fitch use plus and minus signs to indicate relative strength within a rating tier. For example, AA+ is stronger than AA, which is stronger than AA-. Moody's uses a numerical system with 1, 2, and 3, where AA1 is the strongest, AA2 is in the middle, and AA3 is the weakest within the AA category. These modifiers help investors understand subtle differences in credit quality that might affect investment decisions and pricing. Credit ratings are determined by analyzing multiple factors that reflect an issuer's ability to repay debt. Financial health is critical, including metrics like revenue growth, profitability margins, and cash flow generation. Debt levels matter significantly, as agencies examine total debt outstanding and leverage ratios to assess whether the company is over-leveraged. Industry position plays a role too, with agencies considering market share, competitive advantages, and the stability of the sector. Finally, the broader economic environment influences ratings, including macroeconomic trends, regulatory changes, and geopolitical risks that could impact the issuer's performance. Credit ratings have profound impacts on both issuers and investors. Lower ratings force issuers to pay higher interest rates to attract investors willing to accept greater risk, which increases their borrowing costs significantly. Many institutional investors, such as pension funds and insurance companies, face regulatory restrictions that limit them to purchasing only investment-grade bonds, making the difference between investment-grade and junk status crucial. Rating downgrades can trigger massive sell-offs as institutional investors are forced to dump bonds that fall below investment grade, creating funding challenges for the issuer. Ultimately, ratings provide a quick and standardized way to assess risk, making them the universal language of bond risk and creditworthiness in financial markets worldwide.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.